slope. Which has the steepest slope? Ooh. Okay. This is what you need to know here. Oh, I didn't write this quite right. Let's go write these correctly. Remember, slope is m. And when you're on an assignment, you better make sure that you're boxing. So we have 1/3, 2, -1/3. And here's the part you need to know. The bigger the slope, the steeper the line. Now, on this, you're going to look at absolute value. Okay? Because it doesn't matter if it's negative or positive. You're just looking to see which number is bigger. So is 2 bigger or is 1/3 bigger? Well, do you want $2 or do you want 1/3 of a dollar? Okay, so 2 is bigger. So that means our steepest is our B. Think of stairs. So if you're going upstairs, this 2/1 right here says you're going up 2 feet and forward 1 foot. Can you go up 2 feet? Well, old people can't. The C has go down 1 foot and forward 3 feet. So that's a lot simpler than trying to get your foot up 2 feet of stairs. Okay, and then